Hi everyone, today we are going to see how to set up Android environment on Ubuntu without installing Android Studio IDE. First, open Terminal and enter this command to update version of packages or their dependencies from the internet. Provide your password to proceed. Now check whether Java already installed by entering java space -version command. If you get same output as I do, that means Java is not installed on your system. So let's install it by this command. Here we go. We have installed Java. Before installing Android SDK, we need to install Gradle. Gradle is an open source build tool that compiles and create a package and lots of other things for Android app. Let's install it by visiting gradle.org/install. As you can see, Gradle requires Java JDK version 8 or higher to be installed. Now download binary only distribution zip file. Extract zip file and copy it into user's home location. It can be anywhere, and rename it to Gradle. Now go to Gradle hyphen followed by Gradle version folder and open in terminal. Enter pwd command to print current working path and copy this path. We have to add this path into environment variables in bash rc file. Now open bash rc file to edit using this command and go to end of file and add export space path in capital equals to dollar path in capital colon slash followed by path that is copied before. Now open new terminal window and enter command gradle space with version flag to see install Gradle version. Oops, something went wrong. Let's check bash rc file. Okay, we need to append /bin to Gradle path. Now enter same command. As you can see, install Gradle version. Now we have successfully installed Java JDK and Gradle build tool. Now our final step is to install Android SDK. So visit developer.android.com and go to command line tools only section on the page. And download Android SDK command line tools zip for Linux. Extract zip and copy it into user's home location. It can be anywhere again. And rename it to Android-SDK. Now open terminal and go to Android-SDK folder. And enter this command. If you get this error, to resolve this error, go to Android SDK folder and create a new folder and name it cmd line hyphen tools and move tools folder in it and re-execute same command, but this time with prefix cmd line tools folder name. Now it displays some output on screen. To make Android build, we need to be installed platforms and build tools. To install it, enter this command. Every Android version has its code name and API level. You can visit source.android.com site to view all the API levels. I am installing API level 28 and 28 major version of build tools. You can have different one. As per your requirements. Execute command. Oops, something went wrong. Okay, some invalid special characters found in this command. Let's correct it. And press enter. Accept license agreement and wait until it downloads. It may take some time, depends on your internet speed. At last, enter this command to review licenses and accept all the licenses one by one. Now open bash ASCII file again and go to end of file and add new variables that are Android SDK root and Android home and paste the path of Android-SDK folder, and at last add path of tools folder in the path variable. Now open new terminal window and enter this command to print Android home path. If path to Android SDK folder is displayed, it means all the setup is done. Now you are ready to build and test Android apps. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye.